Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Granny's Wild Edits. Good photographers and good editors, rarely both. And that's the brutal truth, sugar. Let's get into it. Some of the best shooters I know, folks with an eye for light, timing, composition that makes your heart skip. Their edits? Lord have mercy. They look like a toddler discovered the sliders and went wild. Then you got wizards at editing. Beautiful colors, perfect balance, pro-level polish, but their captures? Flat as a pancake, no soul, no story, no heartbeat. Granny's thankful to be one of the rare ones who nails both, most days. But even I have my off days, bless my heart. And I've seen it over and over. The one who thinks they're great at both often ain't great at either. They chase perfection everywhere and wind up with mediocre mush. So why is this the case? Because shooting and editing are two different beasts, plain and simple. Shooting is instinct, being in the moment, feeling the light, timing that perfect click. Editing is craft, patience, subtlety, knowing when to stop before you ruin it. Most folks are wired for one or the other, not both. And the industry pushes you to be a one-person circus. Shoot, edit, market, post, sell. No wonder so many burn out or stall out. But here's Granny's real truth. You don't have to be great at both to be great. Be honest about your strengths, own them, and get help where you fall short. Some of the greatest photographers in history had darkroom wizards or assistants. Ansel Adams had apprentices printing for him. W. Eugene Smith had helpers in the darkroom. Ain't no shame in building a team or outsource part that ain't your gift. Granny ain't a wizard at everything, but she knows what she knows, and she ain't afraid to admit what she don't. So how does Granny handle it? I shoot from the heart, capture the moment, the light, the feeling. Then I edit with intention. Take that raw and turn it into a masterpiece, not dull or overcooked. When I hit my limit, I step back, sip sweet tea, or start over. You may need to do the same or bring in help. No shame in that, sugar. Find your strength, lean into it, and build around the rest. That's how I keep going without losing my soul. Take this example I pulled from Pixabay. Nice capture, decent light, but what in tarnation is the focus? The church on the left half? Or the mountains and the building crowding the right? It's fighting itself. Eye bounces around like a ping pong ball. If Granny was hired to fix this for a wall, here's what I'd do. Crop tight on that beautiful old church. Get closer is usually better, darling. Zap the distracting background buildings. Make necessary tweaks for balance. Add warmth to bring out the stone glow. and finish with a subtle vignette to lock eyes right where they belong. And there you go. From confused mess to hang-worthy gem. Clear focus, no distractions, pure soul. So if you're out there thinking you're not good enough at both, listen to Granny. You don't have to be. Just keep shooting, keep learning, keep loving it. Practice ups your game every time. And if turning your everyday shots into something special feels out of reach, send them to Granny. I'll give them my honest roast, then work my wild magic to transform them into fine art pieces worthy of your wall. No fancy pro shots needed, just real life moments from regular folks like you and me. Link in the description. Granny's waiting to make your memories shine. Hit subscribe for more real talk, roasts, and fixes. Ring that bell so you don't miss the next one. Next up, what I'd do differently in 2026 if I was just starting out in photography. Most folks will be surprised. That's all Granny's got for today. Thanks for stopping by. See y'all soon. Granny'll be a-waitin'.